What's up guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Bibbidi Box unboxing. These are like my favorite videos to do because I absolutely love Bibbidi. They are a Disney subscription service. They also have other pop culture kind of boxes like Star Wars, Marvel, Harry Potter. I absolutely love getting my Disney subscription service every month. So if you want to see what I got this month, stay tuned and let's hop into unboxing it. You know that I love to open things. I get very excited about opening them because it's a surprise, and that's why I love these subscription boxes. Bibbidi has been my favorite, like nonstop for like 3 years, favorite subscription service. I would highly recommend it to anyone who wants to try out a Disney subscription service. I feel like it's the best one. Sorry, but it is to me, and I always get something amazing in my boxes. This month I have the like Halloween type packaging, so I wanted to show that off before we actually got into unboxing it. And so you could see they have like all of the spooky stuff. They've got Mickey ghosts and little bats, and it says boo, and you've got like little like Mickey fireworks and Mickey pumpkins and little candy corns and such. So I think it looks so cool. I am so excited about all the Halloween stuff coming out, and so I'm really excited to open this. So let's just go ahead and open it. With Bibbidi, you get to actually put in your preferences. So you get to actually say items that you want or items that you're looking for. They have a whole wish list system that you can go in on Club Bibbidi, and you go in and you heart items, or you can add them immediately to your box. So you're like almost guaranteed certain items if you add it to, I mean, I guess you are guaranteed items if you add it to your box. I've never added anything specifically to my box. I've only just hearted items because I'm like, these are things that I like and I would love to get them, but I also still like being surprised. So if you still like surprises, that's a good option for you. You can also heart things. Like I hearted a bunch of stuff this month, so I have no idea what I'm getting. But as we go in here, I see a little spooky, it's a spooky season. Oh, this is so cool. I talk about this a lot too, that you could keep these little cards as artwork in itself. So it just says spooky season on there. That's a little bit easier to see. Spooky season. And oh, it says this is, or it's really boo to you, not so scary. Boo to you, a trick or treat. For you, that's boo. It's you, no. Boo to you, a trick or treat. For you, that's boo. It's you, know who. Boo to you and you and you and you. Happy Halloween. So I have all of the lyrics of the Boo to You song right here. And I actually never knew that that was 100% the lyrics. So now I know. The more you know. So also in here they have my packing slip. I'm not gonna look at that just yet because I like I said, I like being surprised. This is so cool. So they also, what's really nice is have these new Bibbidi stickers. So let me see if I can get it off without tearing it, because I want to show everyone. So they also have these like little Halloween Bibbidi stickers that are like orange and purple and black, which is so awesome. There's a little bit of yellow in there too, and I love all the Halloween stuff. Oh my gosh, if you know me, Halloween is my jam. I don't think there was anything in this past month for like Halloween options, but the Club Bibbidi did come available, so you can put in your Halloween stuff now. Woo! Okay. I feel a backpack. But the question is, which one is it? Because I hearted like several. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's spilling out everywhere. Okay. Oh, I see Star Wars stuff, so it's gotta be a Star Wars. I see Mando. So this was one of the ones I had on my my wish list, which I gotta cut this part. Hold on, I'm gonna cut it. But I got this on my wish list because I thought it was the cutest bag, like, ever. Okay. Woo. Here we go. It's so stinking cute. So I got this backpack of, I really liked it. It's of Mando and Baby Yoda riding the bantha, and I just thought it was so cute. And it's got a little frog here. Hold on, let me see if I could turn him around. Yeah. Wow. So he's a little frog here. So we have a little frog here on the sides. This is what the bag looks like. If you guys had watched season 2 of The Mandalorian, you probably know the scene. Actually, I'm gonna move that too so you guys can see more. But yeah, this is what the front of the backpack looks like, and the other side. Let me take this off the back. So the back, oh, the back has little an embroidered Baby Yoda here with a couple frogs right here, and it's got this really cool like faux leather texture as well. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the bag as well. So the inside of the bag looks like this. It looks like you have like little banthas and Mandalorian helmets and little Baby Yoda in there. It's like this really nice natural orangey color, almost coral, and it's just really, really nice to go with this bag. So I'm very excited to have got, ooh, the back is kind of like, it's not like suede, but it kind of feels very soft actually. Yeah, I was really happy about this one. This is actually a pocket here with the bantha on here. And what's actually interesting is that you could see Baby Yoda and the bantha are on the pocket, and Mando is up here. I'll have to try and straighten out Mando's head so that he's not like, you know, this is the way. So if you guys are a Loungefly fan or a Star Wars fan or a Mandalorian fan, I thought this backpack was really, really cute, so I'm very excited to have gotten it. So thank you, Bibbidi, for this amazing backpack. Okay, I see 2 other Star Wars things. This one is, oh, it's a puzzle. So I got a puzzle for Christmas, so nearly, you know, a little over 10 months ago, and I still haven't finished it. But this is a Baby Yoda puzzle, and it's so cute, and it's a little wanted puzzle, so I feel like I have to complete this. And maybe I'll do something like, I'll use like puzzle glue and I'll keep it together so that way I can like frame it or something like that. Yeah, this is really awesome. I love all the Baby Yoda merch because I feel like I still am not over this Baby Yoda phase. Like, I think he is the cutest, and I know, please don't get mad at me for saying Baby Yoda. Like, I know he's not Yoda. I know that they're like the same species, and his name is Grogu, and he's called the child in the show, but I just, like, that song, Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda, like, I can't get that out of my head. So he's always gonna be Baby Yoda to me. So, got a puzzle. Okay, and the last item that appears to be here is, oh my gosh, a pin set. Wait, this is really cool. So it's got Darth Vader, Chewbacca, R2-D2, and Yoda. So I'm gonna open this. That's what it looks like in the package, but it's kind of hard to see with all the plasticky stuff. So hold on. So this is what the pins look like up close. Oh, I guess Darth Vader is like, it looked like Darth Vader was having a bad day. But this is what the pins look like up close. So you got Yoda there, you got Darth Vader, Chewbacca, and R2-D2. These are actually really cute. Some of these sets are great for if you're a newbie to pin trading. Star Wars is a collection that I have developed over the last several years, so it's really cool to always get new Star Wars pins. So this is really awesome. I love getting themed boxes. So getting the Mandalorian bag with Baby Yoda and Mando, and then getting a Baby Yoda puzzle, and then getting some of the original characters in a pin set is really, really, really awesome. And so I'm so glad I got all of this, and they always take into consideration my preferences. Like, I love getting the Loungeflies. Those are, like, I love having that as a collection, but I also really, really love pins, and so they always take that into consideration when they're curating my box. And so I just love Disney pin trading, and I love bags and Loungefly and backpacks, and I just love Star Wars. So thank you so much, Bibbidi girls. You guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so now that I have finished opening my box, I'm gonna take a look at my packing slip. Oh my gosh! Okay, Becky did my box, and I feel like anytime I get Star Wars items, it comes from Becky, because Becky's also a big Star Wars fan. So Becky, thank you so much for my incredible box. So for my ultimate magic box, I got one Disney Parks exclusive Star Wars Cuties trading pin set. So that's a Disney Parks exclusive, which was $29.99. the Disney Parks exclusive Star Wars Wanted The Mandalorian 1,000-piece puzzle, which was $24.99. I actually didn't know that that was an exclusive too. And then I got the Star Wars Loungefly Mandalorian Bantha Ride mini backpack, which was $80. So the total value of my box was $134.98, which is bananas because this box is valued at $119, and you always get a little bit extra. I feel like I say this every month, but you do get a little bit extra with your value. And if you're already gonna get some of this stuff, you might as well get a little bit extra too, because if you get to pick out items that you like, like I know that's why some people don't like subscription services, because you're not necessarily getting some things that you like all the time. But I feel like with Bibbidi, because you get to go through the wish list, you like most of the time get something that you really want. I mean, I always do. Every month I get something that I really love and I absolutely wanted. So thank you, Becky, for this amazing box. I'm so excited to wear my new backpack and like theme it to all my Baby Yoda stuff. So oh my gosh, Baby Yoda. If you guys want to try out your own Bibbidi box because they're amazing and you want to save a little bit of money, I actually have 2 coupon codes if you'd like to try it out. The first one is Mickey's Magic, pretty much the same as my YouTube channel name, but Mickey's Magic, no spaces. I'll leave it right here too, Mickey's Magic, and it gets you 10% off of your first box and also a free sparkle box, which is about a $10 value. You get some magnets or stickers. It's really awesome. The second coupon code that I have is Mickey's Magic Bling, which gets you 10% off of your first bling box. So if you are also a fan of Disney pin trading, that is the Disney pin trading box. It's amazing. You could get authentic Disney pins, and that is a major bonus when it comes to subscription services. It's really hard to get authentic Disney pins in subscription services. So check out those boxes. Bibbidi is amazing. I will leave all of the information about Bibbidi and their website and a playlist to all of my Bibbidi videos, because I've been unboxing them for like 3 years, like I said, in the description down below. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item is in this box. Are you guys a fan of The Mandalorian or Star Wars? I know, I feel like some of those style Loungeflies are like hit or miss, but that one I was like, oh my gosh, that's so stinking cute, I have to get it. So I was so happy to have gotten it. But thank you for watching. It always means the world to me. Thank you, Becky, for putting together such an unbelievable box. I'm so blessed to know these ladies and get to call them friends. And I'm just, I love everything I got in my box. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.